にちは、ジャパニーズアーモのミサです。Hey guys, this is day 5 of the kanji challenge. Alright, so the first kanji is this. So many lines. This kanji means ear. Okay? The kuyomi is mimi. Misa's ears. Misa no mimi. Okay? And this is another shoken moji pictograph. This does kind of look like an ear, right? Ear. By the way, earlobe we say mimitabu. The onyomi is ji. Maybe you want to remember this word. Jibika. That means ENT. So ear, nose, and throat. You can say jibika ni iku. It can mean to go see an ENT doctor. It's very common in Japanese to specify which department you're going. In Japan, usually each clinic specializes in different things. It's not just like you have one doctor that can prescribe everything, or, we don't have a doctor that we just go see for everything. So we have different doctors or different clinics for different symptoms. Jibika. Okay. And let's now look at the stroke order. You can just remember it like it's just a bunch of lines that look like an ear. If you want to write it, you start from left to right and then top to bottom. Jun, and then again left to right. And the fourth one is longer than the second and the third lines, okay? So the first line and the fourth line are longer than the lines in between. And then at the end, you strike from top to bottom, okay? So in a way, this does kind of look like the kanji I, me, but the way you write it is very different. For the kanji I, me, you write the vertical line, top to bottom, and then you make the lid or, like flipped L, and then you finish with 3 horizontal lines. Okay? Anyway, me, eyes, and mimi, ears. Alright, the next kanji. This has the kanji mimi, ear, right? This kanji means to listen or to ask. So the verb to listen is kiku, right? Kiku. So the kunyomi of this kanji is ki, okay? Ki. And the onyomi is bun. For example, the word newspaper, we say shinbun. The first kanji means new, the second kanji means listen or hear, something new that you hear. It's news. But shinbun specifically means newspaper. Okay? So bun is the onyomi. So in the middle there is an ear, right? And these two parts mean gate. So this part illustrates the open doors. So just imagine you put your ear against doors. That suggests that you're listening in, right? So that's where the meaning listening comes from. So doors and ear. Okay, 次. This kanji means sound. So the kunyomi is oto and the onyomi is on. Okay, very similar, but the word sound we say oto. For example, oto ga kikoenai, I cannot hear the sound. And if you want to use the onyomi, there is the word, for example, onryo, the volume. Onryo, ryo means amount, so sound amount, volume. Onryo. So you see the box thing? That is the kanji mouth, but there is extra line, right? That line is showing that's the word or the sound that's coming out of your mouth. Quite interesting, right? So it has actually nothing to do with the kanji hi, which means day or sun, but it's actually illustrating the mouth with sound coming out. And the top part does look like the kanji tatsu, to stand, and also the kanji tatsu, to stand, is based on the sketch of a man standing. Anyway, that again has nothing to do with the man standing on top of the mouth, but it's the needles, remember? From the word to say. And that's basically showing a needle or something very sharp. Looks more like a knife, right, with the handle, or more like a saw, I guess. So again, it's about prayer, something to do with God. The sound that you make, the prayer, shall not be treated lightly. Otherwise, your tongue will be chopped off. Alright, next. This kanji means fun. So the adjective fun, we say 楽しい, 楽しい. So that's the kunyumi, たの. The onyumi is 楽, 楽. So if you say 音楽, do you know what that means? It means music. 音楽. So 音楽を聞く means to listen to the music. This kanji 楽 at first just meant music. And because the music is fun to listen to or to play, the meaning fun was added. So originally it just meant music. Interesting, right? And you see the kanji tree that is meant to look like a handle, and the top part is meant to look like a bell. So it really is meant to look like sleigh bells. Yeah, so remember the kuyomi is tano, and the adjective fun is tanoshii, and the onyomi is gaku, like ongaku, music. But another onyomi that you want to remember is raku, raku. Na adjective, rakuna, rakuna. See? Tanoshii, that's an adjective, that means fun. Rakuna, that's an adjective, that means easy, simple, comfortable, like no hassle, like hassle-free. For example, 楽な仕事 is the opposite to 大変な仕事. 大変な仕事 is like tough work, tough job, right? It's hard to do that task. Whereas 楽な仕事, that's easy. Everything is simple and you don't have to do much. So a lot of students want 楽なアルバイト, like easy part-time jobs. Or you can also, for example, say 楽な格好, and that means casual clothes or comfortable clothes. It can even mean comfortable pose. Or 楽な姿勢 is comfortable position, comfortable pose. Like when playing piano, you have to get your posture straight, right? So that's not 楽な姿勢. But when you are not playing, it's 楽な姿勢で座る. Like to sit comfortably, to sit in a comfortable pose, posture. Alright, that's it for today. Let's review the kanji we had. So the first kanji was ear, mimi, and the onyomi is ji. Like EMP, we say jibika. Okay, jibika. But here we're gonna just focus on mimi. And this was not meant to be in the video actually, but the eyes we say me. Okay, me. The next one, this one means to listen, to hear. So an ear against the doors or the gate, right? And the verb to listen is kiku. So the kuyomi is ki. The onyomi is bun. For example, newspaper, we say shinbun, right? Right, tsugi. This kanji means sound. Oto, oto. The onyomi is on, on. This kanji meant to stand, right? And the verb is to stand is tatsu. Alright, the last kanji was this one. This means fun or easy, comfortable, or music. So the word music is ongaku, right? So the onyomi is gaku. The kunyumi is tano. So fun, we say tanoshii. Another oyumi is raku. Raku, and used, for example, in the adjective rakuna. Easy, comfortable. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you like this video, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Even $1 really makes a difference. It really helps me to make more lessons. Alright, thank you so much. じゃあまたね。バイバイ。